Come on, help mommy. Say hi. Can you say hi? Say hi. Can you say hello? Little kiss. Little kiss. Good job. Ma. Say happy fall. Yeah, good job. Hi guys. Welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. I'm Maggie and this is Gabriel. Today we are going to be making apple butternut squash blueberry crumble. I love this recipe. I actually got the idea for this from Instagram. I saw a post from the kitchen and I decided to take it and kind of make it my own, and I love it. It's delicious. It's literally fall all encompassed into one wonderful bubbly goodness, and top it with some vanilla ice cream and you're good to go. So if you like the recipe, as always, give us a big thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do that now. All right guys, enjoy. Bye.